This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink text to a web page in Canva. Let me jump over to Canva here. I have my browser open now and I am on Canva. I'm working on a little example project here. To hyperlink text to a web page in Canva, it's very easy to do. Say that I wanted to hyperlink this text right here to a website. First thing I want to do is select that text that I want to hyperlink. I'm going to double click inside this box here. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button, drag across the text that I want to hyperlink. Then a little box appears up here. In this little box there's a little chain icon. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says link. I'm going to click on link. Another dialog box opens up, and in this box right here you want to type or paste the URL of the web page that you want to link that text to. I'm going to press Ctrl V to paste in the URL. I'm going to go down to the bottom down here. I'm going to click on Done. Now this new dialog box, it tells you the text that you have hyperlinked. That's what I had highlighted. That's the text that I had highlighted to hyperlink. Down below that is the hyperlink, the URL of the web page that it'll take you to. I'm going to go down to the bottom. I'm going to click on Done. And that is how to hyperlink text to a web page in Canva. Thanks for watching.